Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So today we will create our second computer vision program, okay? And this is going to be a program that simply opens a video file and a webcam. We'll create this program using all of the concepts that we have covered in the previous videos. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, please watch the previous videos, then come back to watch this video so that you get a better understanding of what's going on in this video. Okay, good. Okay, so step one would be to first create a directory that is going to store the videos that we are going to open using our program. Okay, so you can use any video that you have in your PC. In my case, I have these two videos over here, of which I'm going to copy. Okay, and I'm going to go back to PyCharm, then head on to your project folder, right click on your project folder, then right now we are going to create a new directory. Okay, and I'm going to call this directory videos, but you can give it any kind of name that you want. Okay, great. So after creating our videos directory, all you have to do is to paste the videos that you have copied into this directory. Now when you open this directory, you'll find the videos that you have pasted. So in my case, I have these two videos, and right now inside the videos directory you can see two videos present. Okay, good. Okay, so once everything is in place and you have your videos inside the videos directory, all that you have to do now is to start writing your program. Okay, and step one would be to import our computer vision module, which is the CV2 module, and step two would be to open the video file or the webcam, and we will do this by using the video capture function, which is present inside the CV2 module. Okay, so the video capture function, then you write the parentheses. Right now inside the video capture function is where we will type in the location of our video. Okay, and in our case we created this videos directory, and inside here you can find the videos that we have. So in my case it's sample 1 and sample 2. Right now I want to access sample 1. So as usual, you have to check, okay, sample 1 is inside this videos directory. Okay, so all you have to do is to start writing the name of the directory first, which in our case is videos, then put a slash, and putting a slash indicates that right now you are entering inside the directory. Okay, so right now we are inside the videos directory. So all you have to do now is to type in the name of the video, and as you can see over here, it will show you a list of videos which is present inside that directory. So we'll select sample 1 first, and yeah, right now we have opened the video file that we have. Now after opening the video file, we need to store this video file inside the video variable. Okay, good. So right now the video that we have opened is stored inside the video variable. Once you have opened your video file, all you have to do now is to read and display the frames inside the video. Okay, and we will do this by using a while loop. So we have covered about while loops in the previous video. So if you're not familiar with while loops, please go and watch that video and then come back so that you may know what's going on. Okay, now inside the while loop, all you have to do is to write ret, then write frame, then write video dot read. Okay, so what's going on in this line of code over here? So this ret is a variable that returns a boolean value. Okay, it either returns true or false, indicating that right now we are reading the frames from the video file. Okay, and frame indicates the represents the pictures, okay, inside the video file. So as you know, a video is basically a compilation of frames. Okay, frames are pictures. Okay, a video is basically a compilation of pictures. So picture it like this: A video is a slideshow of pictures moving at very high speeds, okay? So you have a slideshow of pictures, consecutive pictures which are moving at very high speeds. They eventually form a video. Okay, good. So over here we're reading the frames inside the video file that we have opened. Okay, good. So after reading the frames from the video file, all you have to do now is to display the frames which you have read. Right now, after reading the frames from the video file, you have to display the frames inside the window, okay? And to do this, we are going to use the imshow function, which is present inside the CV2 module. So we have already covered the imshow function in the first program that we created. So as if you remember, the imshow function takes in two parameters. The first parameter is the name of the window, so we'll call our window my video, and the second parameter is the actual frame, okay, of which we have created over here. So the frames which are being read from this video over here will input those frames one after the other one, okay, because this is a while loop, so it will continue reading and displaying the frames, reading and displaying at very high speeds, of which in our case we will see them as a video. Okay, so right now we have displayed the frames in a window that is called my window. As you can see over here, there's a highlight of win name, which is the short for window name. So after displaying your frames, all you have to do is to write this is cv2.waitKey. So as you can remember, waitKey is also a function that we have covered in the first program. So it's a function inside the CV2 module which delays the duration of a picture to be displayed, okay? So it determines the duration of displaying the picture, okay? So as you can remember, in our first program, we used the value of 0, indicating that we want to display a picture for infinite amount of seconds, okay? But in displaying videos, we will use the value of 1, okay? Great. So we'll continue by writing 0xff equals sign. As you can remember, we also covered this. Equals sign is a comparison operator in Python, okay? So we are going to write ord, and inside the parentheses we are going to write q, okay? Then we're going to write break. So what's basically going on in this line of code over here is that we're saying that, hey, we want you to display the frames, keep on displaying the frames, okay? Because inside the loop, this condition is true, so the loop will keep on going on and on until all of the frames are finished. But we can interrupt this process by typing in the letter q, okay? So this is what this code basically does. So when we run our program, let's run our program. By the way, our program is complete by this point, so when we run our program, we'll see an output. And as you can see, after running the program, this video is being displayed well without any kind of issues, okay? So as I mentioned before, right now when we press Q, the program will stop, okay? As you can see, we have specifically stated that over here, that when we press this key over here, this Q key, the video will stop. So when we press Q, the program will break. So break is also a concept that we have covered in the previous video, and you can write in any letter that you want. You can put in K, you can put in I, and so on and so on. But the standard measure is usually writing Q, okay, which is short for quit. Okay, so if we run our program again, you can see the output of our program, okay? So our program is working fine. So one thing that I forgot to mention is that After finishing up your program, you need to free the resources which are opening the video, okay? And you do this by writing video, a variable that we have created over here. Write video, then dot release. Okay, good. So this will free up the resources which are responsible for opening the video file or a webcam in your program. Okay, and after freeing up the resources, all you have to do is to destroy all of the windows which all of the CV2 windows. Okay, so all you have to do is to write cv2.destroy all windows. Okay, so when you run our program again, you'll have no issues. Okay, great. So as you can remember, we have two videos. Right now we are opening the first video, and when we want to open the second video, all you have to do is to edit this name over here and type in the name of our second video. So our second video is called sample 2. So when you write sample 2, it auto completes over here. So all you have to do is to select, and now when you run our program, the second video will open. Okay, so here's our second video, which has the name my video, which we have specifically written inside our program. So as you can remember, you can manually change this name of our window inside our program over here when we're displaying the frames in our window. Okay, so you can change the name of our window and maybe write something like Thanos. And right now when you run your program, you see your window will pop up, the video will be displayed, and the name of the window will be changed. Okay, reflecting the name that you have inputted inside your program. Okay, good. Okay, so we have successfully opened a video file. So what if you want to open a webcam? All you have to do is here, I'm going to hide this panel over here. So all you have to do inside your video capture function, you will remove this location of the video over here and replace the value with 0. So when we write 0 inside our video capture function, what we are telling the program is that, hey, right now we want to open the webcam, and 0 indicates the primary camera of your PC, and the primary camera of your PC is usually the webcam. Okay, the built-in webcam. Okay, so when you run your program, the program will now open the webcam. Also, when you have an external webcam, a USB webcam connected to your PC, or in this case this will be your secondary camera, all you have to do is to write 1 so that you can access that secondary camera. Okay, so it can be these USB cameras or whatever. Okay, so 0 is for opening your primary camera, which is the built-in webcam. 1 is to open your secondary camera, which is the external camera which you have connected to your PC. Okay, good. Okay, so that's all for this video. So in this video, we have successfully created our second computer vision program. Okay, a program that simply opens a video file and a webcam. Okay, so congrats to you on creating your second computer vision program, and on the next videos we'll continue learning the basics of Python and how we can use them to continue creating our computer vision programs. Okay, so congrats to you on creating your second computer vision program, and on the next videos I'll also instruct you on how you can open IP cameras, which are these cameras with installed cameras. Okay, so they're basically installed cameras. So we'll also go through on how we can do that, and we'll also create more exciting computer vision programs. Okay, so hope this video was provided a good value to you, was educative to you. So stay tuned and see you in the next videos, where we will continue learning Python and computer vision. Okay, Good. So stay tuned and see you in the next videos.